morning, Falcons. Today is Monday, May 11th. I'm Casey Needham. Today's birthday wishes go out to Asa Bridges, Amber Granberg, Jonathan Mindrup, and Piper Ott. Tomorrow's birthday wishes go out to Landon Bame, Elizabeth Dean, Tegan Murphy, and our very own Taylor Thomas. Happy birthday, everyone. This is a message from FBLA. We are very thrilled to announce that Braden Cowan has placed third in the Introduction to Financial Math, which also qualifies him for the national competition. We are so proud of all of our students for all their hard work. Have you been bored sitting around in quarantine? Gabby's here to show you some Pinterest recipes to pass the time.
Today we are going to be showing you some simple but delicious Pinterest recipes. First up, we will be doing peanut butter banana muffins. You will need 2 bananas, 2 eggs, peanut butter, maple syrup, honey, vanilla extract, baking soda, and mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. Add 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of honey, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, and 2 bananas. And then blend it all together. Once you're done blending, pour the batter into a bowl. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips and mix. Put cupcake liners in a cupcake tray. Now start pouring your batter into the cupcake liners. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And this is what they should look like when you're done. Next is the mini Oreo cheesecake recipe. You will need 10 Oreo cookies, 1 tablespoon of butter, 12 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, half a cup of chopped Oreo cookies, 1 cup of heavy cream, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 12 mini Oreo cookies for topping. To make the crust, add melted butter into crushed Oreo cookies. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and half a cup of sugar into the bowl of cream cheese. Add a pinch of salt and an egg. Mix all these things together. Pour the mixture on top of the crust and put them in the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Top everything off with some whipped cream and Oreo minis. And just like that, you're done. Will you be trying these recipes out? This has been Gabby and Gianna signing out from STTV.
Speaking of recipes, Kayla is here to show you her yummy pumpkin bars recipe.
어젯밤엔 잠을 좀 설쳤어 너의 생각이 좀 많이 나서 불을 껐다가 켰다가 다시 껐다가 켰다가 그 사이사이 자꾸 재우는 건 너의 웃는 모습과 먹는 모습 귀여워서 참기 힘들어 yeah. 또 연락하고 싶어져 yeah. 애매하지만 애매하지 않은 것처럼 아무 사이 아닌 것도 아닌 것처럼 평일과 주말 사이 그 어디처럼.
Signing out for STTV, this is Kayla Henderson.
Well, that's all we have for you today, Staley. Be sure to check us out on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and visit us online at staleynews.com. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for daily shows and more. Have a marvelous Monday, everyone.